Yay! Day 6. It's today the 6th of December. Cocktail live for Advent number 6. Still feeling a bit festive from this afternoon. We did a hello, the Forum Sheffield. Hi, the Forum Sheffield. How are you? Earlier we did a live with the gin to my tonic. Yeah, they left. Hi, Dad. Dad, you're on time tonight. Yay! How are you? Yeah, you are. So earlier we did a live with the gin to my tonic, and we did some very festive things. So we decided to keep. I think keep drinking. I think you look funnier with your Daddy Elf hat. Hello, Sandra. Welcome back. So tonight, we are going to do a colorful twist on the White Lady. And I struggled with this one because a couple of basil smashes into Maryville. Nice, Dan. Excellent. We've had some spiked hot chocolate, some boozy chocolate truffles that we made for the gin to my tonic, and a clear mocha martini. Do we have anything else boozy? Can't remember. Beer, and he's had beer. So yes, he's well into it. Hello, Veronica. So a play on the White Lady, but we are doing a purple lady. We are using a purple sweet yam powder called Ube. It's a product from the Philippines. It's a native plant that grows in the Philippines. It's really popular in a lot of puddings there. I was a little hesitant to use it. I don't like overly colorful things, as Sandra knows. I don't want to make a blue drink. But I love purple. It's my favorite color. My wedding dress was purple. I didn't even wear white to my own wedding. You're allergic to ube. Wow, I've never heard of such a thing. It's a sweet potato. That's terrible. Well, definitely don't drink one of these, Sandra. But you can have a White Lady. But we're going purple tonight. So this one is a shaken drink. And the first time I made it, I added the powder directly to the cocktail shaker. It had a little bit of a residue. Gives you a scratchy throat. Oh, that's terrible. I don't want that. We didn't have a reaction. We were okay with it. But it did leave a residue. So I infused some of our gin with it, and I strained it off. And there is a little bit of a starchy, I guess because it's potato, there's nothing else added to it. It's not artificial at all. So some of the starch is left behind in here. So I strained it off of that. So hopefully the cocktail won't have that starchy residue left in the glass. So we are going for 50 mils of Sir Robin of Locksley purple gin. Rah, rah, you like purple too. My best friend from my uni days is watching me, and that makes me so happy. She signed on to her daughter's account, or watching with her daughter. So, the Marianos in Rochester. Hi. So, purple gin going in, 50 mils. And then, usually you put triple sec in a White Lady, but obviously I'm going to use my Morocello. 25 mils of that. $25 mils of fresh lemon juice, and again, I was prepared tonight, so I'm going to just pour the lemons that I squeezed earlier. Lemon juice, 10 mils of simple syrup, which again is equal parts sugar and hot water, or you can use a Monin syrup that you buy, but it's a lot easier and cheaper to just make it yourself. So 10 milliliters of that. You do get a little bit of sweetness from the ube. And then an egg white, which I also cracked earlier. And we are going to do a reverse dry shake. I know Sandra does a dry shake, but I find a reverse dry shake, you don't get that pressure buildup. So we shake for about 15 seconds with ice, and then John continues to shake without ice for me. One more? 15 seconds with ice or till it's chilled. All right, it's feeling nice and chilled on the outside. And I'm gonna strain that. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Where's my hawthorn? So straining it off the ice. Ooh, pretty. It looks more pinky purple than it did when I put it straight in, but that's all right. Yes, please. There's a little bit of ice on there. So my lovely assistant's gonna empty my ice for me. And then he's going to do the hard shaking. Either way, dry shake or reverse, that works too. Absolutely. I just, you know how when you shake it without the ice first, the egg white kind of, dry shake is better for the egg whites than use ice. Who says that? I've done experiments with that, Dave, and I've found that this, you get the same texture. I've done it both ways, and you don't get that pressure build up. So I've read that, but I've also read the other. So
you can also do a whip shake.
You can also do a whip shake. You can do one giant ice cube and shake the whole time, because it's not gonna over dilute with just one ice cube in there. So there are lots of different ways to achieve the same result, but in this house we're big fans of the reverse dry shake.
Yep.
And then, can you see? And Sandra, look, it's my favorite glass.
Don't drop it.
Gutted. Ooh, so pretty. Oh my goodness. Ooh. It's not overflowing. Perfect pour. We're going to let that foam settle a little bit. Oh, thank you. And then I'm going to garnish it with a little bit more of this lovely Ube Powder. And in this amount, I don't think we'll have to worry too much about the residue. There we go. And then
good. Top it up.
And there is your purple lady. Got a similar glass from eBay. This belonged to my great grandmother. This glass, she got it for her wedding. So this one's over 100 years old. Okay. Yeah. We're only doing one tonight.
So what's in it? Just recap.
So recap, it's a white lady, but it's purple. So it's lemon juice, gin, Sir Robin of Locksley, regular gin, Morocello instead of triple sec, a little bit of a simple syrup, and then to give it the color is Ube Powder, purple sweet potato powder. I think I got this on Amazon. So there we go. So there is the purple lady, or as my friend Sherwin from Tarsier said, we should call it the Ube Locksley. Either way, it's lovely. And I think that they will be doing a cocktail with this as well. He's from the Philippines, so he will know more what to do. Oh, that's really nice though. It does, the flavor changes slightly. It gives it almost a vanilla-y flavor it adds to it, do you think? So that is cocktail number 6. And that's it for tonight. Tomorrow, I don't know. I've got a couple of ideas for tomorrow. Gin Lord, it sounds lovely. It is lovely. If you like a white lady, you'll like this because it's virtually the same with just a little bit of extra vanilla. And it's pretty without artificial flavors. And Ube has lots of antioxidants, so apparently it's good for you.
Apart from Sandra.
Well, yeah, it's not good for Sandra because she'll get an itchy throat, and we definitely don't want an itchy throat. You like our hats? Yes. We wore them earlier for an event that we did with the Gin to My Tonic because they were doing their Ginmas. So we decided to stay decked out for this evening. Tomorrow we'll be back to our normal grumpy selves. Does anybody have any questions? I'm going to scroll back. I thought I saw something, but maybe not. Got something. Cool. I think that's it. Does anybody have any questions? Suggestions? All right. I think I'm going to try and do a couple of ideas that I have for cocktails for later in the week. Since it's still early on a Sunday, we've already eaten our tea. Send the kid to bed and get drinking some more. I need to ask John if I've been naughty or nice. Has Rory, the gin lord, has he been naughty or nice? Why? What do you want for Christmas, little boy? Dan says naughty.
I don't know. I think Rory's pretty nice.
I think generally he's one of the nice ones. Definitely on the naughty list.
Oh.
That was from somebody that doesn't even know Rory. Rory, we're the only ones that think you're on the nice list. What do we not know? What's in the secret blogger world that we don't know about Rory?
I'm not even unearthing that stone.
He's been a good boy, really. He is a very good boy. Cool. Ooh, should we have a truffle? So we made these chocolate truffles that we infused with our chocolate liqueur earlier. So that was one of the things we did. With a gin to my tonic.
Top.
Look at that yummy inside. Filled with our chocolate liqueur and chocolate ganache.
Where's your truffles?
Truffles. Yes, Christmas truffles. Yum. Cool. Well,
there are also Locksley truffles.
Oh, there are Locksley truffles made by Holdsworth Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Save me some. You got it, Dave. Come on over.
Yeah, Holdsworth Chocolate in Bakewell, who are fantastic. Make Sir Robin of Locksley truffles that you can find on. Well, you can buy them direct, but they sell them on Ocado and in a few stores as well. I think John Lewis may have some.
Dave said he'll come and get them tomorrow. All right, we'll see you then. Cool. Anything else? If not, we're going to sign off for tonight. And we will see you tomorrow evening for cocktail day 7. Ciao.